Hello guys, so I want to quickly show you how you can point your domain name server to an external name server. For example, I have a domain with Whogohost. This is a domain, it's a new domain, but then I have the hosting account on Qserver, and this is the hosting account, and right now it's not pointing to the correct domain. Like you can see, there is nothing there that it should be pointing to. So that is what I'm gonna fix right now. If I go to Whogohost, and this is the domain, right now it is pointing to the default Whogohost domain, and then this is the domain dashboard. And then if I click here, and then you see this three dot, I'm going to just click on it. I can see manage name servers. So this is the way I'm going to replace the default name server to the Qserver and name server. So you can see right here that it is currently using the default name server. So I'm just gonna do custom name server, and this is what I'm going to be replacing, the first and the second. So when I registered for Qserver hosting package, so I registered for the business pack, and then they sent me this email which contains my name server, so 1 and 2. So I'm going to copy the first one, and right here I will paste it on the first name server, and then the second I'll do the same for the second one. So I'm gonna point and paste it here. So once that is done, I'll just click on change name servers. So yeah, it has been changed. So your changes saved successfully. So yeah, my name server has been successfully changed, and then I'm just gonna refresh and allow the propagation. So propagation usually takes between few minutes to about 72 hours, but most of the time it doesn't actually take much time. So it's just a few minutes, the propagation will be done. So you can now be able to click on your link and see the default Qserver homepage. If I go back now, remember it was the domain is on Whogohost, the hosting is on Qserver. So if I go to that domain now, you can see that you can see the domain right here, and then this is the Qserver default home page. So yeah, the propagation is completed, and then it's now the name server is now pointing to Qserver. Alright guys, that is it. I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to click on the notification bell, and then of course subscribe to my channel for more of stuff like this. Thank you, and let me know what you think in the comment section.